Alright, continuing with our little minister here. See how it kind of gives that look where he's okay. Kind of take a little bit off these hand area in here. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to draw where the hands are going to be on each side. Kind of draw like that where the hands are going to be, and we're just gonna mark that. Okay, we're just gonna mark that where the hands will be. Okay. Alright, and down here where the hands would come to. Okay. Just like that. See what we did? Okay, now we're going to dig this out just a little bit. Just like that. And we're going to come from, let me see if I can't kind of come up this way and get through there with my knife. In other words, I want to open that up is what I do in there. I can also come from this side and just cut a little V cut in there, kind of give an indication of where we're at. See that? Okay. Let's take a little bit more of this nightshirt. That was the word I want to have. It's going to be a nightshirt, okay? This was going to be a nightshirt. Kept looking for the word and I couldn't think of the word to use, and I finally found it. Nightshirt. A nightcap and nightshirt and things like that. Alright, let's work on this face just a little bit. Bring that up kind of in there. Now, let's kind of come to the point that we're going to place our nose in here. But we're going to place our nose somewhere around here. Okay? And let me go ahead and cut right there. Cut up a little bit. Alright. And then come back. Remove a little wood in there. Just like that. See that? Alright, we'll shape that nose. I'm going to get that nose down where we can kind of work it. And I'm going to come here. Now, let me show you what I want to do. Okay? I want to put a nightcap on him. But I want to put it over his eyes, okay? Now what I'm going to do is from the nose here, I'm going to come back just like that. I'm going to come back just like this. And I'm going to come down like here, okay? I'm going to come back like this and come down like here. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. I'm going to take my knife from the nose here. I'm going to start removing wood in here, in the facial area. See that? Same thing. I'm sorry. That's too much. I'm going to come down here, okay? I want to come down a little bit further, right where the thing is. I'm sorry. And I'm going to come down like that and bring the face over. You'll see what I'm doing. Same thing here. See what I'm doing here? Okay. This is going to be a nightcap. Just like that. Now, let me go ahead and bring this down here where that shoulder is and bring that in. Same thing over here. Where the shoulder is, bring that down there like that. Okay. Now, let's bring this down. See what we're going to do. We're going to put this nightcap. It's going to come kind of down like this and then go in the back where there's a little ball, in other words. And let me go ahead and remove this here. Come out like that and then move down like that. Come up. It's like a little strand, in other words. Just like that. And then come up underneath here. Remove that in there. So you come back here and take that wood out. See how it's looking now? Actually, this is to be taken off in here. This is all to be taken off in here. So you get somewhat looking like this. Let me take off wood in here. Take off wood in here.